Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the Concrete Encounter Moisture Meter, product code CME4. Excess moisture in concrete could cause potential problems such as condensation or failure of the adhesive under the floor covering. The Concrete Encounter CME4 gives you an instant reading of moisture content to over 6% for concrete and 0 to 10 comparative for gypsum floor screeds. This enables you to make informed decisions on when to install the floor covering. The meter features instant readings, is non-destructive, has precise reproducible results, and is pocket-sized. In the box there is a calibration certificate, the CME4 Quick Start Guide with instructions on where to find the full user manual, the CME4 Concrete Moisture Meter, and a carry case with a handle and a wrist strap. The meter features a large, clear, easy to read analogue dial. Concrete moisture readings 0 to 6% are displayed on the top red scale. Comparative or qualitative readings for gypsum and other floor screeds are shown on the centre yellow 0 to 10 scale. And the bottom is a reference scale of 0 to 100. The lower LED illuminates when the on-off button is pressed and remains on until the CME4 automatically powers off. The upper LED flashes when hold is selected. If the battery is nearing the end of its useful life, both LEDs flash sequentially for 3 seconds at each power on to indicate that the battery should be replaced. On the left is the on-off button and on the right is the hold button. The sides of the meter are grooved for enhanced grip. On the back there is a battery compartment with a pre-installed 9-volt battery and the 8 spring-loaded electrodes. For a video demonstration on how to measure concrete moisture using the CME4 or to talk to an Instrument Choice scientist about this meter, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.